All right, so in this video, let's design this compress images front end. Okay, so this front end is nothing but our simple form. Okay, so the form will have two fields. One will be our original image and other one will be the quality field. Okay, so this will be a very simple one. Let's try to do this quickly. And you know what, we can just close this home.html, compress.html. All right, so here in this compress.html, let's first extend the base template. Extends base.html. Okay, so as soon as you extend the base template, you will notice we have the header. Okay, and next let's say block content and end block. Okay, so here inside our block content, what we can do is we can actually copy the code from email or somewhere here. Okay, so we can also copy from I think from here we can copy, because ultimately our form will be something like this. Okay, so that's why we'll just go ahead and copy this send mail template. All right, I'll show you, just follow along with me. Let's go to templates and go to emails. Okay, so inside the emails we have our sendmail.html, right? So we will simply copy this page. Okay, I mean this code, the whole code you can copy, right? Copy, and just make sure you're copying it from sendmail.html. All right, copy this HTML content. Don't copy these things, end block and other things, because we have already written that block content, right? So just copy this HTML and paste it inside the block content. Save the file, and if you look at this, we don't want to change anything here. Okay, so this is just a class container with the shadow and around it with the maximum width 600 pixel. And this h2 we will change this compose and email to compress images. Okay, compress images or image compression. Okay, image compression or compress images, and the action will be this one. You see this compress function, right? So this function will be nothing but the action. Just change this to compress, and you let's close this sendmail.html. All right, then the method will be post, and encoding type will be multipart form data. So this is very important, because in this form we are taking the image, right? Image to compress. So that's why anytime you want to get the file uploaded in your form, then you'll have to include this encoding type. Okay, and then CSRF token is needed, and these things you don't need for now. I'll show you later. Okay, and this is the submit button, and submit button input type submit, and value will be compress. Okay, value will be compress, and let's save the file and refresh. Okay, so invalid filter crispy, that is because we need to also load the crispy forms tags, right? After this block content, let's load the crispy form tags. Load space crispy underscore forms underscore tags. Crispy forms, not dot tags, it is underscore. Okay, load crispy forms tags. Save the file and let's refresh. Okay, so we have our image compression front end, and above this compress button we are going to load the form. Okay, so we'll create the form in the next video.